Hey, Sneaker's back again. We're back with the Microbit series, okay? I think we're on number 5 now, okay? And these ones are going to be really simple stuff for younger children or older children. All depends if they've any experience in using the Microbit. But it's all fun, and a good family time can be had by all. So, we're going to make a mood button here. So you can tell your friends your mood by just pressing button A, B, or A and B. So first we're going to go to Basic, and we're going to drag out an LED box first, okay? And in here, I'm going to put my smiley face, okay? I'm going to be in the mood of happy. Yeah, happy. Ooh. And we'll put another one in there. Just make this as good as I can, okay? So that's going to be my happy face. Now I want input. So on button A pressed, we're going to be like that. So if I run the emulator and I press button A, I'll get the happy face. Good, okay. So for button B, we want a sad face. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually duplicate this, drag it over here, change that to button B. By duplicating, you get a lot of stuff out of the way, really. Now we're going to make a sad face, okay? So, sad face coming up. Best I can do with 25 LEDs. Quite difficult. You have to be quite creative, as you can see. So now we're going to run the emulator. So, button A pressed, happy face. Button B pressed, a sad face. Okay, what else can we do here? Okay, so if we go to input again, I'm just going to drag that one over again. I could have duplicated, but I'm showing you how to do it. It doesn't really matter. Press A and B. Now, we could just show one more image, but what if we did like we did before and make a short animation? Okay. So we're going to go to Basic, and I'm going to cheat and go to our icons here, and we're going to drag that over there. Now let's find an animation one to do. So we can put in happy face. We're going to duplicate that, put it below it, and we're going to change that to a beating heart. How's that? So, same as we did before. So I'll duplicate that, put that under there, change it to a small heart, then I'm going to duplicate the first one again and bring it down. Okay, so that's it. So we'll run the emulator one more time. So press button A, happy. Press button B, sad. Or press button A and B, we get happy, beating heart, and happy again. But that's quite boring, isn't it? So we will need to use a loop, okay? Okay, so if I go to loops, and we can get this loop that says repeat how many times it will do something. So we're going to drag that here, bring them icons here, change that there. We want to repeat that, we'll say 3 times. Okay? 3 times. So, off we go again. Happy, sad, happy, heart beating, happy, heart beating, happy, heart beating. And then we'll do that 3 times. Super. Now remember, experiment with it and make all of them animated. See what you come up with. But that's a really easy button. And if you get the little case to go on your shirt or your suit or whatever you're wearing, you can just press the buttons and off you go. Easy peasy. Microbit. Nice. Sneaky Linux out. I see you later. Bye bye.